Stormbird, where have you come from? What dark shadows have you run from? Delicate foam, chased by the storm that cleaved this morning. You have witnessed towering waves on stormy seas, shipwreck and disaster down below. Clouds of despair driving you here to find some refuge, cradling your fragile bones and fluttering heart. I understand the journey that you've made, making your way to this place without a chart to guide you homeward. Stormbird, put it behind you. Rest here a while where I can find you. Sweep them away, those yesterdays where life declines to get in line. Maybe early next morning you'll stretch your wings and then believe I'll be with you up in the blue where sorrows end and heartaches mend. Every traveler comes with her own history, the fortunes of their fragile heart, the undeserved and unexpected tragedies when things in life just fall apart. Everybody comes with their own mystery, the secrets of their hidden heart. But you can face those troubled memories of stormy seas on days like these. Stormbird, stormbird,